Hello children, now we will discuss the next life process of your chapter, that is excretion. What is excretion? Removal of waste products out of the body is known as excretion. As our body performs certain metabolic activities, during these metabolic activities, various waste products are produced. Those waste products must be removed out of the body, and their removal out of the body is known as excretion. Why we need it? Why excretion is necessary? If the waste products are not removed out of the body, then those waste products remain accumulated in the body. An accumulation of waste products cause toxemia. The collection of these toxic products, waste products in the body will cause us a serious illness named as toxemia, and that toxemia may prove fatal. That may cause death. So that is why, to remain healthy, we must have to remove those waste products out of the body. To prevent ourselves from toxemia, excretion is necessary. We need the removal of waste products out of the body. First, we'll discuss in unicellular organisms. In unicellular organisms like amoeba, paramecium, the waste products removed through their general body surface, that is through cell membrane, by the process diffusion. The waste products will remove out of the body through their cell membrane, through the general body surface. The excretion occurs by diffusion. Along with the diffusion, there is a vacuole present in those organisms. In some organisms, unicellular, that vacuole is known as contractile vacuole. That contractile vacuole also helps in maintaining the balance of salt and water inside the body of unicellular organism. And this maintenance of salt and water inside the body of an organism is known as osmoregulation. What is osmoregulation? Maintenance of salt and water inside the body, inside the cell of an organism, is known as osmoregulation. Next, we'll discuss excretion in plants. It's a very important question for your board exam, bache. Plants produce three types of waste: the solid waste, liquid waste, and gaseous waste. So first we'll discuss the removal of liquid waste, that is transpiration. Excess of water is removed through stomata. Tiny microscopic pores present in the leaves known as stomata, and that is known as transpiration. The loss of excess water in the form of water vapors through the tiny microscopic pores known as stomata, or by the aerial parts of the plants, is known as transpiration. Second one, in roots. Roots removes the waste products like gases, carbon dioxide which is produced during respiration, as well as the water which is in excess, through diffusion directly into the soil. As root hair are very thin membranous, so diffusion occurs very easily, and the waste products of the roots will goes directly into the soil. Third is in the form of gums, resins, and milky secretions. You must have seen various plants which has certain gums coming out of their leaves or coming out of their stem. Resins are released by the stem or bark resin, and the milky secretions are secreted by their leaves. Those all secretion of the plants are the waste products. In some cases, those waste products are even useful for us. The gums are used by us. So these are actually the waste products of the plant, which plants are doing to maintain the balance of salt and water inside their body. Next, wilting and shredding of leaves. Leaves of the plant contain certain solid waste in them in the form of soluble forms. Whensoever leaves wilt and then ultimately shred off from the leaves, so from the trees or from the plants during the autumn season, basically, that is actually purposely done by the plants for the removal of those waste products. If those leaves are removed, those will take the waste product out of that as well. बच्चे लीव्स जैसे ही झड़ेंगे, लीव्स जैसे ही सूखते हैं और झड़ते हैं बच्चे, उन लीव्स में कुछ वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट स्टोर है. जैसे वो लीव्स नीचे गिर गए, वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स भी उसके साथ साथ रिमूव. नेक्स्ट, रैफिड्स. Rhaphids are spine-like structures present on some fruits like yam, jamikand, kiwi. Those rhaphids are spine-like structures which are present over the peel of the fruits. Those rhaphids actually contain the waste products. And when the fruit is taken up from that tree or loosened from that tree, fall off from that tree, from that plant, along with that fruit, the waste products through these rhaphids also removed, through these spine-like structures also removed, also excluded by the plants. So these are certain methods by which plants remove their waste material. Now we'll talk about the gaseous waste, and that gaseous waste is removed by the plants through stomata. During transpiration, when stomata opens, during that opening, the gaseous exchange takes place. During day, plants release oxygen gas, that is the waste product of the plants during day, and during night, plants release carbon dioxide as their waste products. So that's the method by which the gaseous waste is removed. In stems, lenticels also plays the very important role in the excretion of gases, especially. In the roots, the diffusion occurs directly. Next method of removal of waste products is ripening of fruits and then falling. When fruits ripen, those fruits contain certain waste products. When those ripened fruits fall off from the plant, that fall off ripened fruit contains that waste. जब बच्चे फल कच्चा होता है, धीरे धीरे पकता है, तो उस पकते फल में कुछ वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट ऐड होते रहते हैं प्लांट्स के. When that ripen, जब वो पका फल नीचे गिरता है, तो along with that it contains the waste material. उस फल के अंदर कुछ क्या है बच्चे, waste materials भी हैं. So when ripened fruits falling off from a plant, then that may contain the waste products of the plant by which the excretion by the plants is done. So various methods of excretion in plants is transpiration, stomatal opening through roots by diffusion, falling and wilting of leaves, shedding of leaves, ripened fruits, and when they fall off they contain the waste products. Certain secretions like gums, resins and milky secretion out of the various parts of the plant also helps in the excretion.